Hello, today you're having a class about how to form the zero conditional. As you have it here, the zero conditional is formed using if as every conditional plus the condition plus the result. When forming the zero conditional, that if is followed by simple present tense, and the second structure, second clause, is also formed by simple present tense. If plus simple present plus simple present. Remember, in English, we have two different ways to express the simple present tense. The most common one is using verb to be am, are, or is, or using do and does structures. For example, when you say she plays tennis, I study every day, or when making questions, do you play tennis? Does she study hard? So that is simple present. I repeat, using verb to be am, are, or is, depending on the subject, or using do and does structures. The question is, what do we use the zero conditional for? First use, general truth. Second use, habits. Third use, real world. And number 4, scientific facts. Examples, number 1, if it rains, comma, the ground gets wet. If it rains, comma, the ground gets wet. Remember, when we form conditionals, can be 0, first, second, or third, we can change the order of the clauses. I can start using this. The ground gets wet if it rains. When doing that, when changing the first clause with the second clause, you need to write no comma. Yes, because you're using if right in the middle. I repeat, you can say the ground gets wet if it rains. Second example, if I cry, this is the condition, comma, I have a headache. Number 3, if you mix yellow and blue, comma, this is the condition, the result is you get green. Condition, result. Together, attached with the if, you write the condition and then you write the result. As you can see it here, if plus condition plus result. Another example, let's go to the final one. If you leave the object, it drops. Or if you smoke, you get old early. If you leave the object, it drops. Second example here, there's a repetition, there is a mistake. If you are tired, you go to bed early. This is the condition, and this is the result of this condition. This is zero conditional. If plus simple present tense plus simple present tense. Same structure here in both clauses. Another slide, same information. We have a different slide here. Zero conditional, if condition plus result. Present simple, previously writing if. If you leave ice in the sun, comma, it melts. Condition, result, simple present, simple present. The use, we have here, zero conditionals are used for facts that are generally true and do not change. It refers to a general situation that always happens if a condition is met. Condition, example, if clause, if you stand in the rain, of course, you get wet. This is the result of standing in the rain. You can write the result, as I told you before, at the beginning, main clause, you get wet if you stand in the rain. Remember, when changing the order, you write no comma and write the if with the following clause. This, my friends, is the end of the class. If you have any doubt, remember to go to the platform and write your doubts there in the muro de ayudas. Thank you very much for your attention.